Emakhosini, ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu, all you beautiful Kemites, all you viewers of this channel. Umkhulusader lo, inyanga eyembathwa ingilosi ezasesibhakabhakeni. Umprofeti uShamun, ngithi ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu, ngiyisigqila senu. I welcome you guys to another episode, and guys, I'm thankful. I'm thankful we way past 4,000 subscribers. We've gone into 4,300. It's because of you guys. It's because of your support ukuthi this channel ifinyelele to this level. Guys, remember, Kemi TV is no longer just a channel. Kemi TV is now part of Akana Temple. Akana Temple is the whole shindig. It's a whole business on its own. We have a whole website. On the website now, Kemi TV information is gonna be there. Kemi TV episodes are gonna be there. We're gonna have a blog. We're gonna offer courses on Pagamisi's Tunya, courses on herbs, courses on tarot. On there, international clients where also New Zealand, you in New Zealand, you in Australia, you in Canada, can now contact us for readings, can now purchase African indigenous healing potions to assist you for a better life, can now communicate with Umkhulusader. Go on the website, you should see the link or it pop up somewhere here in one of these two corners. Go on the website, share it with your friends, share it with people. Igedla lamashkrishkri leli inyanga yamakhosi thingageqa amagula bakwethu. This episode is specifically aimed at spiritual healers, and it's a short episode, and it's a preparation because there's a lot of people that take lightly the things they deal with when they start their journey. There's a lot of people that take lightly izinto ababhekana nazo when they start their journey, or there's people that don't know what the road ahead looks like, and bayasaba, bezwa ukuthi kuzophuza igazi kuhlanzwe, bezwa ukuthi kuhamba iy'ntaba kulalwa emgedeni, people sleep in caves, and look, some of those things do happen, but I just need to give you a basic blueprint of what the normal spiritual child who is gifted goes the blueprint of what they go through. And so today's episode is the 3 stages of becoming a spiritual healer that nobody talks about. I will be giving you the blueprint and the breakdown on this episode, guys. The path to becoming a spiritual healer is it's a powerful one, but it's definitely not an easy one. Those of my contemporaries, abaningi engiqale nabo, didn't, in humility I say that, get to the stage I'm at, and nami angikakafinyeleli kude. It's a powerful journey, but it is a very tough one. That's why I need to share with you guys these 3 hidden stages and the struggles that you go through, and when to know when you are having breakthroughs. And we need to have this conversation to prepare you spiritual children. Ngoba kunzima Nkosi yami, ngiyanizwela nina baprofeti, ninenikhalayo, ningafuni ukukhala, mmemeze, ubhongo uwe phansi, kumele sikubambe ngamabhidane. Wena sangoma sami ogida uzuphatha ama-cramp kupotris lakho. Wena nyanga yami ozulazula iy'ntaba uloku ugubhana nemithi magedla ami. Ilanga lishisa 38 degrees outside when ugubhana nemithi because you must make medication to heal people. I'm speaking to you guys. If you feel called to heal others, then this is your guide. Stage number 1, the chaos and pain. This somehow ties into that episode on spiritual awakening. The chaos and the pain. Crusader ukhuluma ngani? Now, the calling often arrives suddenly, guys. There will be pangs of it. Uzobona ukuthi yebo ngiyabizwa. I'm having this dream, but I'm not sure about it yet. Until suddenly the day comes, but angeke sakumele. Nini sime ngawe? Wena ngikhuluma nawe wena obuke le video. Nini sikumele? Ulokuthi uyeza. Manje sesikulandile. Animfake nebhuthini sihamba naye. Often it comes suddenly with confusion and emotional turmoil due to ukuthi kuqale kuyenzakala zonke lezi zinto lezi, usuyaqala uyagula, you starting to be restless, usalala ebusuku, uvuka ngabo 3, kumele uvuke ngo5 uprepare for emsebenzini, ngabo 12 uvese uzizwa uchoke, uvuke bakubizela ukuthi ukhuleke, before uvuka uphupha amakhandlela yonke nje lento, nokuthi ulele embhedeni uze kukhala ama-drums ey'ndlebeni gudu gudu gudu, uzwe iy'nyawo zivutha zithi kuningi. You become physically ill, you become overwhelmed, your finances suffer, you start to lose things, you start to lose friends. This is your spirit pushing you towards your transformation, preparing you ukuhlubula lo muntu lo ocabanga ukuthi uwuye, ukuze uNkulunkulu akukhande, in order for God and your ancestors to mold you into the vessel that is needed for the work that has to be done. It is a spiritual wake-up call. So chaos, often, and pain are the first stage that we all go through. And these stages don't mean go by this stage it ends, go by this stage it ends, go by. No, they often overlap each other. Chaos and pain might still transcend into the next stage, which stage 2 would be the death of the ego and isolation. The death of who you thought you were, the death of ideas about yourself, the death of ukuthi yo mina I'll never be caught in hell ngenza into enje, yo mina angiboni nje ngikhulekela abantu, yo mina angiboni mina ngiloko ngibhizi nemithi, angiboni ngibhizi namafutha. Bakuhlubula. The death of your ego and isolation. The second stage is as painful as the first stage, but it is even more necessary because you have to let go of your old self. Imvuma kufa. Ungayi ephehlweni utshelwe ukuthi ephehlweni uzoyenza imvuma kufa. Imvuma kufa occurs spiritually. The death of your ego occurs spiritually. It's a process that they put you through spiritually. Ego death means the shredding of pride, the shredding of control, and false identity. That is imvuma kufa. The shredding of pride, the shredding of control, and the shredding of false identity. Ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi ubani, the way you view yourself emhlabeni. And it is the awakening of your higher self, the true self. You may feel isolated, or at this point you might feel misunderstood. Kwenzakalani ngalo manje? Sekagqoka amabhayi. Kwenzakalani ngalona manje? Akasaphuzi. Kwenzakalani ngalona manje? Akasafuna ukuphuma kakhulu. You might feel like you're being misunderstood, but this is just the second stage that all of us go through. We have to go through it, but there is not a single genuine shaman who had an awakening globally. Whether you're a druid, whether you're an Eastern mystic, whether you are an American shaman, South American Indian shaman, whether uyinyanga, whether you are a juju man, we all go through the stage of ego, death, and isolation. But this is where your healing begins. It's necessary to go through the stage because this is where you start healing. This is where you don't disassociate, but you can begin understanding the purpose of the ego instead of being the ego. Start understanding that Seda is just a tool. This is my true self. Useda is just a tool to serve this purpose. And when it's done, likewise, ngiyowulahla lo mzimba kaSeda, and I will be the infinite soul that I've always been, who has changed many bodies, coming into spiritual understanding and healing pains, deep pains. This is where it begins. Stage number 3, the final stage, which could last for a very long time, but we're to the awakening, alignment, the aligning of you to your purpose. Alignment and purpose. This is the stage where you re-emerge anew, where you finally understand. You might not understand ngokuphelele because life happens. Namhlanje you could be in alignment. Kusasa uzothi driver estradini uMageza afike and cut you off, and you revert back to an old habit. But the whole key point is you are no longer that person. You are now in alignment. You have deeper understandings of why people do things. Okay, he's just an unconscious person. He's not conscious of what he's doing. Let me forgive him. Instead of ukuthi uphume emotweni umtshele ukuthi yabona mina khehla lamakhehla incane into nje exabanisa amadoda. Into encane kabi echatha amadoda. Singabhonyana ngeyibhakela sibondane sibulalane. Cha, you are at a higher place where you can understand the universe and can move in it in an woke fashion without saying akekho mina umuntu ongenza lento, but with saying ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka. What's my course of action, and when I take this course of action, am I thinking from a higher self or am I thinking from my ego? You emerge renewed, you feel aligned most of the time with your spiritual gifts and your life purpose. You have accepted umsebenzi wakho. Awusangabazi, angeke kusasa uvuke uthi mina I'm quitting ubusangoma. Ngoba vele, if you manage to do that, ubungeyisi isangoma. You never had a calling. You are a dabbler. Ungena la uphume la, ungene la uphuma la. Phuma kithi. Now, you accept your life purpose and healing others becomes natural. Mawuvuka ekuseni, you already know your duty. You already know ukuthi I must be in service, and you're able to serve people with a smile, with love and humility because usuzinikele. So, guys, if I've missed anything or if you wanted me to deep dive a little bit more, go into the comment section. Usho ukuthi Khulu, I can relate. I am on this path. Share what stage you feel like you are on. Go into the comment section. I feel like I'm in the first stage. I feel like I'm stuck on the second stage. Khulu, I can relate, but I don't know where I'm at. How do I contact you? 061 178 1304. Guys, you should see here on the side, I have updated the details of our social media networks. Kemi TV has its own page on Facebook. Kemi TV has its own page on Instagram. Kemi TV has its own page on TikTok. Kemi TV, I have no personal pages mean. If you see a personal page that says Mkhulu Saida, or if you see a personal page that says Mkhulu Saida on Instagram, TikTok, or whatever, ignore it. It's somebody impersonating me. It's a hacker or whatever. Should you want to contact me primarily on the social media channels that you should see on this side. Yes, you should see them on this side: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Here on the side, you should also see our bank account details. To those of you that would like to contribute to the growth of the channel, those who want to make bookings for readings and they prefer to pay into accounts, this is the account number. This is the only account number. Bagwethu, these are my contact details, my social media channels, my bank account numbers, the address of where you can find Mkhulu Saida. Kuyedla la mashkrishkri nyanga yamakhosi, ngithi ngiyazehlisa phambi kwenu, ngithi have a great day ahead. Ngithanda ngothando kaMveli Mncane. Emakhosini.